Hello, today I am going to do life casting. First, I'm putting the apron and also trimming my facial hair. I'm using the attachment number 1. I'm not going to shave completely. Then I'm putting the face lotion. When the skin is dried, material tends to stick to your skin. So make sure it's moisturized. Then Vaseline on your facial hair, eyebrows, eyelashes, and mustache. Then put the gloves. The material I'm using for life cast is called Smooth On Body Double. Today I'm going to use Body Double Silk because I have facial hair and Body Double Silk doesn't stick to your hair. The one earlier I showed was Body Double and Hyperphoric. If you mix Hyperphoric into the Body Double, it works like the same way as Body Double Silk. And 50-50% ratio, and mix it together. When the color is one even color, you put with your finger very thin layer. You don't want to put too much in the beginning because of the gravity. If you put too much, it tends to fall on the ground, and also it might create bubbles. So make sure all the skins are covered evenly with the thin layer. And around your eyes, make sure not to put this silicone. Back in the day, they put the special contact lens and life cast eyeballs too, but we don't do that. Make sure not to put too much around the eyes. Then once all the skin area you want to have is covered, another layer, and make sure not to close your nose. If you feel it's covered, and blow out the air from your nose so it pops. When the time goes, the material gets thicker, so you add more. And when it gets thicker and thicker, you use a stick to smooth it out. Once you think it's covered enough, you use warm water and salt. And I'm using Gibsoner Plaster Bandage. Dip into the water. Gently massage your skin. Make sure the silicone underneath is cured enough so it doesn't change the shape. When you feel the bubbles with the plaster bandage, gently press it so it pops the bubbles, and make sure not to cover your nose hole. And again, around your eyes, please make sure not to put in your eye. Technically it's a plaster. If you put in your eye, wash it out right away. And between the nose holes, I put a thin layer. And now all areas are covered. I'm doing the second layer. Each layer has either double layer or triple layer, so in total I'm getting 5 to 6, and on the edge even thicker, and I think on the forehead area it's still thin, and I'm adding more to make a great support on the edge. Then use a paper towel to wipe the extra moisture. The water you use for the plaster, you don't want to pour into the sink. Just wait till it gets hard and put it in a trash can. Now materials are hard enough, so remove it from your skin gently, and near the hair, make sure to slowly remove it. Slowly. You can put your finger in between. And use a wet paper towel to wipe the residue. Okay, this is a mold. There's no bubble on the surface. Next episode, I will show you how to make a positive mold. Thank you for watching.